How to activate Telegram without phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate Telegram without phone number. To get started, open up the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. It's important to enter your phone number to create your Telegram account. If you're having trouble with the continue button, make sure you've entered your phone number first. After entering your phone number, select your country from the provided list. This helps Telegram identify the correct country code for your phone number. Once you've selected your country, you can proceed with the setup process. Some online services offer temporary or disposable phone numbers for verification purposes. You can use one of these numbers to activate Telegram, but the success rate may vary, and some numbers may be blocked by Telegram. Keep in mind that using unauthorized methods to create Telegram account could result in your account being banned or restricted. It's always best to use legitimate means and comply with Telegram's terms of service to ensure the security and functionality of your account. If you encounter issues with the registration process, you may contact Telegram support for assistance. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.